Meron lang po akong breaking news. Kakapasok lang po from the Office of the Executive Secretary. Kasama na po ang People's Republic of China, Pakistan, Jamaica, Luxembourg and Oman sa mga bansa na meron pong bagong COVID-19 variant. At pinagbabawal po ang pagpasok ng mga dayuhan galing sa mga bansang ito na galing po doon sa mga lugar na yon, effective January 13, 2021 at noon, 12:01 p.m. until January 15, 2021, subject po to further recommendation of the IATF. At itong travel ban, well, hindi po travel ban, travel restriction na ito ay jointly recommended po by the Department of Health and the Department of Foreign Affairs. Ulitin ko po, People's Republic of China, Pakistan, Jamaica, Luxembourg, and Oman have now been included in the countries with travel restrictions. Filipinos coming from these territories can still come home, but subject to the absolute 14-day quarantine kahit anuman po ang resulta ng kanilang PCR test.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.